shop.
You ready for the next one?
Donut shop. Huh?
I'm ready for the next one.
Mark.
Yeah, you need an angle, Dookie.
No, you don't. You shouldn't.
No, you don't. You're right, Jeff. We did it all wrong. You're right.
Nah,
Your hair's on fire. I've been shot by that shit.
it got Jeremy one.
It got Jeremy, bro. That shit slammed him to the roof.
Bro, he was fucking.
Oh, his stepmom, bro. What do you mean, not this girl? He's going around town with his mama. I'd fucking work.
Your answers were building
You need these?
pyramids, they still wouldn't have been done.
Motherfucker, they finished them.
They wouldn't have been done.
They've been finished. This one bitch just commented, and she was like, man, you got a face like a hatchet. And I was like, all right, well, hey, that's what happens when you go on the internet, you know? I commented. 4 sheets, 3/4, 80 pounds a piece. We're gonna get up here and do some roofing. First prime time roofing. What a mess. Making good progress. Bunch of ants in there, so this should be fun. Big progress over here.
More?
That 3/4 isn't a fucking joke, dude. Ugh. They're having some problems. Finished until we get the wood on here. Just trying to get some wood.
No.
Oh my god.
If you roll, you can roll it back.
Come on, YouTube. Oh, that fucking wind to come. Oof. Big fucking oof. Alright, you good? Peel it and fucking, yeah. Oh, I need some more nails anyway. It's a good time to quit. Get him what? Pull that. Oh yeah. Yep. And that's it, YouTube. That's how you dry it in. Synthetic. Yeah, I'm gonna nail it all off, but we won't put that on camera though. It's just hard to film.
Probably want to use that other gun.
But yeah, low blemish will fix that. That's right. That's how you do it. Hell of a load for a little truck. Did the same thing yesterday, but with 4 sheets. I reckon we probably got a little bit more weight today. All the way out to Otter Creek. Hey, I showed up this morning. I brought you a bunch of wood. I'm not a geeker. Something to be said for that. Got to deal with a little bit of YouTube. Thing is though, I know I'm not lazy.
I should have fucking said anything.
Knew I'm not lazy. Well, I say it. I don't give a shit because I know I'm not lazy. I fucking work.
Your ancestors were building the
You need these?
pyramids, they still wouldn't have been done.
Motherfucker, they finished them.
They wouldn't have been done.
They've been finished. Hey, I watched the documentary that said they might have done it in 100 years, bro. 3 generations of Jews building those pyramids.
Your ancestors are sitting on the side blessing eggs while everyone else is doing all the work.
Reckon no. There wasn't a whole lot of blessing eggs when the Egyptians, they didn't like Jews. Bro, his stepmom, bro. What do you mean, not this girl? He's going around town with his mama.
Going out on the night on town with his mama.
Got recording them.
No, you actually, matter of fact, you think it's funny. This one bitch just commented, and she was like, "Man, you got a face like a hatchet." And I was like, "All right, well, hey, that's what happens when you go on the internet, you know." I commented back. I was like, "Listen, y'all gotta be pretty to do YouTube." All right. I never claimed that I was like Brad Pitt over here.
Fucked up.
Yeah, isn't it right?
You ugly as fuck.
She didn't even have to say that. She didn't even have to say any of that. Never even had to say any of that. Yeah, I knew you'd find that funny, Jeff. I don't know. It's such a weird thing to comment, you know? And it was on a video like where Jeremy and Keen were fucking fishing for the crawdads. So it's like I was barely even in it. I was in it for like a second and a half. My mom got to the store. You hear me? They're both 3/8. You done made. Buy insurance. health insurance makes them so much more money than like car insurance and shit.
Goddamn Ford Ranger. Oh, he's not in the camera. Goddamn. You want to come right here and do the other one? Hey, Bubs. What? Bando. You talking with me, man? Yeah. Yeah. That thing on the post right there. It's like Huh?
That's the old well.
No, it's a spigot. That's what it is. It's a spigot. It's an old.
Yep.
Man, if you get that pump, that hose to work through yours and into that fish pond. All right, YouTube's back on. Back speed. What? No. Earlier, now it's hot as shit.
Yeah. It was cold as fuck this morning, wasn't it?
Bro, I had trouble with the truck, man. I texted you.
Fiddle with it for quite some time. Like a rope.
Yeah, bring some big rope. That's what I was just spend a lot more time working on them.
There's marks on the wrong side of it.
Mark. Why you mark wrong, Mark? Why you mark wrong, Mark?
4-inch mark, right? My angle.
Angle. You gonna cut it?
No.
The old angler. Oh, I need a papa.
You do it?
Oh,
Jeff said that.
oh really?
Yeah, wait. Sit here.
Oh no! No! Oh my goodness!
Hey, buddy.
That's funny.
You can't make that up. Holy moly, holy moly, donut shop.
You ready for the next one?
Donut shop. I'm ready for the next one. Good Mark. Holy moly, donut shop. Holy moly, donut shop. Holy moly, donut shop.
Mark.
I like this company.
Freedom.
Keep it straight.
Bro, we gotta get it going.
I need a short shit.
32 inch.
Yeah. Yeah.
Malco. Get you one.
You just gotta spend the money on the right bit. You gotta bust the magnet up. I put the screw in there, move it all around, and then it won't fall out. Yeah. We do a lot of big shit that needs to up, so you need a bit that's got a magnet in it. Sometimes you gotta hold a rope, man. Fucking through it.
Bro, what an advertisement. Keep fucking talking about it, dude. This whole clip of YouTube, dog. You're like, Malco.
2412. I just did a stand and scene. 5 skylights on each side. Yeah, we ain't rookies.
Huh?
I'm gonna keep roofing, stay strong my whole life.
Where is Freedom Metals? Cross City, Florida. Freedom Metals. The best panel manufacturers there are.
Who you talking about?
YouTube.
YouTube, bro.
When have you ever just seen me?
I don't know. Don't
When
say
do I
that.
just fucking haul off and
Don't
talk
say
to
that.
myself, bro?
Hit it, man. I'll show you what a real roofer does. You keep the whole rolling.
I've been shocked.
Shit, when your hair's on fire.
I've been shocked by that shit. It got Jeremy one day.
It got Jeremy, bro. I
Good,
should have
bro.
slammed him to the roof.
Bro, he was fucking.
And then I seen Gabby. Gabby touched that stick. I said, all the fucking time fucking biting. I said, shot. Look, why you biting me? I feel like biting.
I already did all that.
Yeah.
I've been on some nasty ones.
Shit, you remember Arch? That one where I fucked up Steven in the fucking ledge with the piece of flower? Ted crashed the lift? That was a fucking freak.
That's just holding that.
Yeah, bro, but it was on purlins. It was purlins on 4-foot fucking centers, dude. You're doing the fucking stretch Armstrong to try to get to the next one. That shit was scary, and that was like my 3rd roof ever. It's fucking 2 stories, like 912. Purlins on 4-foot center.
What'd you do with the radio? What'd you do to it?
What'd you do to the radio?
Just saw.
Come on, YouTube. It's just chilling there, bro. It's not even doing anything to you. I'm on DeWalt.
You don't got your saw?
Why are you
No,
cutting
it's in
it?
my car.
What?
Those aren't 10 footers?
Yeah, you need an angle, Dookie.
No, you don't. You shouldn't.
No, you don't. You're right, Jeff. We did it all wrong. You're right.
Nah, I had to cut the angle up here or it busts into the other truss.
You don't have to go up that high. Just as long as it's laying down and scab next to the other one.
I had to break this whole one out.
Oh, I thought that was 10 foot and some change.
This one was broke.
Yeah, so it should be.
Anyway, Jeff, you got a deck screw?
I'm sure.
It should be
I'm
full.
sure. Wow. This one was broke.
Put one next to that. Come out here.
God damn,
It's all brand new now, baby.
That, would you look at that? They're notched a little bit. This one looks a touch higher now that I'm down on them and looking at them. I think. Moving right along.
Small.
All right.
Chris called me last night. He said, "Hey man, you heard?" On your 2-inch line, 12 and an 8.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. That's right. Still miss a little piece of plywood, but we can put that in. Let off of it. Let it release that pressure every once in a while. You're killing that battery.
No way. Get out of here.
You're killing that battery. There you go. Keep that bitch rotating. Yep. Ready and sweaty. Old Betty over here.
You want to put back the edge on the outside.
Are we in there? We are in there. Old Sweaty Betty's in there. Very nice. I'll take that. That's the goddamn Ford Ranger from yesterday. There he is, goddamn Ford Ranger. Oh yeah, come on. Come on. Oh. Yeah, that'll do her. Run over that bamboo. Not leaving that like that. We're gonna do some gutters. I'm gonna be back here. I'll show y'all we wrap it up. And that's it. Prime time roofing, baby.